I like the shirt. That's awesome. She wants to get one. Oh. Thanks. So what's all it do? It's all it do. It's totally electric. It's totally electric. It's made out of stainless steel. It's the same material that's on the line. You know what? Starship.
So great.
This is bulletproof up to 45.
It is. I don't ride in it. Cause he can take it and change the colors while it drives, and like it goes to like the music and.
That's cool. I like how the name looks something like that.
That is sick.
Man.
Dude, that is sick, man. I never seen one of these in person.
He said it's the first one up here.
Yeah?
It's the first one up here.
Yeah, this is like the first one that actually been up here.
And then he's driving away, so this is gonna make this so much better.
Bro, that is so cool.
Man.
That is like, I love it, dude. Oh, and it is quiet, too, bro.
You can't even hear it.